Welcome to Product Critique. And today we're diving into what might be the best Panasonic microwave for your kitchen. The Panasonic Nitrogen Mono Nitride SD78LS 1.6 cubic foot Cyclonic Inverter Countertop Microwave. If you're looking for powerful performance, sleek design, and smart cooking features, this might just be your new favorite appliance. Let's talk design. At first glance, the stainless steel finish gives it that premium feel, fitting effortlessly into any modern kitchen. Its dimensions, 19.44 inches deep, 21.88 inches wide, and 11.94 inches high, make it compact enough for your counter, but spacious enough inside for large plates, bowls, or meal prep containers. And at 1.6 cubic feet of capacity, it's surprisingly roomy. This microwave doesn't just look good, it's built to perform. With 1,250 watts of cooking power and Panasonic's patented cyclonic inverter technology, it delivers heat in a unique 3D wave pattern. That means food cooks more evenly, with better texture and flavor. No more half-cold, half-boiling meals. One of the standout features is the Genius Sensor Cooking. With 20 auto-cook settings, you can prepare everything from frozen entrees to soup, rice, oatmeal, and even pizza with just the press of a button. It senses the steam levels and adjusts cooking time and power accordingly, so your meals are never over or undercooked. The controls are fast and intuitive. There are dedicated buttons for quick tasks, like the Quick 30 for an instant 30-second heat, a popcorn button, and a Keep Warm feature that maintains just the right temperature until you're ready to eat. Plus, safety is covered too, thanks to the built-in child lock. Turbo defrost is another major win. Instead of blasting frozen foods into rubbery submission, it uses continuous inverter power to thaw more evenly and gently, cutting defrost times and preserving taste and texture. Whether you're meal prepping, reheating leftovers, or cooking from scratch, this microwave adapts. It's smart, efficient, and delivers consistent results. It combines advanced cooking technology, practical features, and an elegant design into one compact unit. For households that value performance and precision, this microwave delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to see more in-depth reviews like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.